My name is Davis Green. I am the production specialist for SNA Displays, and today we are in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, checking in on a massive retrofit of the iconic Circa Towers LED displays. SNA Displays completed the original LED installation in 2018, which comprised of 3 separate massive LED screens which wrapped the corner of 12th Street and Figueroa. It was perhaps most iconic for a 24-hour content cycle dedicated exclusively to Nike, but the times change, and so does technology. So SNA Displays is back on site to make the Circa Towers LED bigger and better than ever. Right now, PS Services is hard at work taking down all the old hardware. As usual, SNA Displays is involved in every step of the process. Right now, our installation manager, Torry Heard, is on site monitoring progress and making sure that we are well prepared for the new hardware to take its place.
Torry Heard, installation manager with SNA Displays.
Why am I here is to make sure, from site supervision, to make sure that we do stay on schedule, and also to make sure that nothing goes wrong, and make sure that if they have any problems that they run into, I'm here to give that advice. So we've previously taken down a daily goal of 12 cabinets, and once they were stacked in the street, the sections were then put onto a flatbed and sent off to recycling. Overall, very smooth today. They've taken down 16 sections of the steel wings.
After that comes the fun part. Soon it'll be time to retrofit the steel in order to accommodate the staggering 320-foot wide 8mm video board. Circa Towers is an essential part of the landscape of downtown LA, and SNA is proud to be a part of that legacy. We're excited to be back on site making something new, and we look forward to sharing more down the road.